Hey guys, Cow, she fixed that here, and today I'm going to be doing a video on how to fix your cabinet door and save you from having to hire somebody else to do it. So let's get to it. Womp womp. So this is where the old magnet was. You can see it just got ripped off. And then that is where the plate is on the door. We're going to remove this guy and remove these broken folks. So I have my handy dandy 1/16 drill bit, blue masking tape, my hardware, my baby. If you can hold the drill in your hand and not do this every time you pick it up, hats off to you. I can't resist the urge. Prime real estate. We're gonna go just underneath the screw. I'm gonna take a little piece of tape about 2 inches long. I'm folding it over this. Then I'm gonna close the door so my lines are lining up, right? Top and bottom. I'm just gonna go ahead and close it. I'm gonna go like that. I'm gonna take my knife. Okay, and I just broke that seal. Now when I open the cabinet, I got it lined up perfectly. All right, and I put another little piece in here so that when I mark it, it's nice and easy. Next step, I'm gonna line this guy up, is I'm just gonna score one line here and one line there. Yay! All right, now what I'm gonna do is take my baby and at the center point of the lines that I just drew, I'm gonna drill a small pilot hole. Let's do this. Now we can strip it. This kit came with 2 rounded screws and 1 flat screw, right? Both are Phillips. The flat screw is going to be used for the little catch plate. That way it sits flush with the plate to give the magnet more surface area to grab onto. Use some of that nifty tape you had from before. And just use that to hold it, right? Just while you get things started. And there we go. And I'm gonna take this tape off. So I didn't set the screw in all the way because that's gonna give me a little bit of wiggle room back and forth so that I can make the adjustments when we go to close the cabinet door, so I can make sure that everything is sitting nice and flush. I can move it forward a little bit if I need to, or I can move it back a little bit. Now we've lined that one up. Looking good so far. Awesome. So we're gonna do a little test to make sure we line up very nice, right? So can you see that little bit of blue tape going inside just a touch? I'm gonna hold that in place. I'm making my mark. I'm gonna put this guy on. There we go. Holding in place. And let's tighten her down. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make some, I think it's tipping. Oh my God. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna finish securing this guy right here. All right, so it sits nice and flush, and then we are done. All right, so this is what we look like. We closed.